This video review of Airsled's hover blades was originally produced by and posted on the Apartments Maintenance Pro YouTube channel.
Today I'm doing a review of the 7-inch by 36-inch hover blades made by Airsled. I was sent this product to do a non-biased review. I've been testing these out for about a week now, and here's my thoughts. The first awesome thing I noticed when unboxing is that they use their own packing tape. The second thing is that they are manufactured in the USA. There's two options to power the hover blades. You can either use a corded shop vacuum blowing 80 CFM or more, in which you may have to purchase the universal vacuum adapter for your shop vacuum. Or you can use the AM1200 hover blade blower conversion kit. I don't see myself lugging around a shop vacuum to use these hover blades, so for me it's a no-brainer to use the dedicated blower, even if it does make the overall purchase more expensive. What caught my eye about this product is a solution to a problem many apartment maintenance technicians must deal with, which is of course stackable washers and dryers and tight closets. I've tried these out in a few different scenarios, and so far they definitely make the job easier. Setting up the hover blades. Insert the hover blades underneath the appliance as far as they will go, or until they cover the entire length of the appliance. Spread the blades apart to maximize stability within the appliance feet. Turn on the air pump slowly. Guide the appliance to where you need it. Keep in mind that the hover blades need a clearance of a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch to work on the appliance. I tried this on a certain Whirlpool fridge and it would not fit underneath the fridge. In this case, the fridge feet would have to be lifted first for the hover blades to work. I tried this on a GE fridge and the hover blades slid under with no problem. Use the air pump, and once elevated, the fridge moved effortlessly. This is a huge win if you want to move a fridge around without scratching the cheap floors that you usually find in apartment kitchens. Another appliance you may want to use the hover blades on are ranges. I tried this on a few different models with the bottom drawer and it worked fine. However, some ranges may not have adequate support and could damage the lower drawer. If you want to move ranges with the hover blades, it's recommended that you use their range braces, sold separately. If there's a threshold that you need to move the appliance over, use the provided rough surface adapters to smoothly move the appliance over it. The rough surface adapters must be placed under the hover blades prior to inflating. With the convenience of the bag and pump, the hover blades take about 1 minute to set up and another 30 seconds or so to position the blades under the washer or fridge. For me, this is worth it. Breaking down the hover blades is just as easy and fast. Pack up the bag and you're on the way. As far as durability, I haven't tested them out for enough time to give an accurate assessment. I will update in the comment section around a year from now on how they've held up. The hover blades come with a 1-year limited warranty and a 30-day return window, but please check out their website for the fine print on this. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this product so far. If you've used these before, please leave a comment below and share your experience with them. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Dave. See you on the next one.